In this video you learn how you can reach your own financial freedom. Therefore I will show you 12 habits that will get you there. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern-day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone, improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. For many people, financial freedom is an important goal. It means having enough savings, investments, and cash to live the lifestyle they and their family want to live. It also means building savings that will allow them to retire or pursue the career of their choice without having to earn a certain amount of income each year. Unfortunately, however, many people are far from financial freedom. Even in the absence of a financial emergency, the constant burden of growing debt caused by overspending prevents them from reaching their goals. A major crisis such as a hurricane, earthquake or pandemic that ruins all plans leaves another hole in security. Being financially independent means having enough income, savings or investments to live comfortably all your life and meet all your obligations without relying on a paycheck. This is the ultimate goal of long-term financial planning. Achieving financial freedom in the face of mounting debt, emergencies, medical problems and overspending can be very difficult, but with discipline and careful planning, it is possible. Adversity can happen to anyone, but these 12 habits can help you get on the right track. 1. Set goals for your life. What does financial freedom mean to you? Everyone has general aspirations, but they are too vague goals. You need to set specific amounts and deadlines. The more specific your goals are, the more likely you are to achieve them. Write down these 3 goals. What your lifestyle requires. How much money you need to have in your bank account to make it possible. By what time frame do you need to save that amount until you are old enough to do so? Then count backwards from the deadline to your current age and set monetary milestones at regular intervals. Carefully write down all the amounts and deadlines and stick the goal sheet in the front of your financial folder. 2. Keep a monthly household account. Creating and keeping a monthly household expense ledger is the best way to make sure all bills are paid and savings are on track. Keeping a monthly household account will also help you clarify your goals and strengthen your resolve to resist the temptation to waste money. 3. Pay off credit cards in full. Credit cards and other high-interest consumer loans are detrimental to asset building. Try to pay off your balances in full each month. Student loans and mortgages usually have lower interest rates, so paying them off is not an urgent matter. However, it is still important to pay these low-interest loans on time. Paying on time contributes to your credit score. 4. Automatic savings. First, pay yourself. Join your employer's retirement plan and take full advantage of the virtually free benefits provided by matching contributions. You should also have a contingency fund and automatic contributions to a securities account or similar. Ideally, emergency and retirement funds should be withdrawn from your account the day you receive your paycheck and be unavailable to you. Keep in mind that the recommended amount you should set aside in your emergency fund will depend on your individual circumstances. Also, do not use this account only as an emergency fund, as tax-advantaged retirement accounts have rules that make it difficult to access them in the event of a sudden need for cash. 5. Start investing now. The depressed stock market, known as a bear market, may make you question the advisability of investing, but historically there is no better way to grow your money. Through the magic of compound interest alone, money can grow by leaps and bounds, but it takes a long time to achieve meaningful growth. Remember, however, that no one but professional investors should attempt the stock picking that billionaires like Warren Buffett have become famous for. Instead, open an online brokerage account where you can easily learn how to invest, create a manageable portfolio and automatically add to it on a weekly or monthly basis. 6. Focus on your credit history. Your credit score is a very important indicator that determines the interest rate you are offered when you buy a new car or refinance your mortgage. It also affects how much you pay for a number of other required services, from car insurance to life insurance. The reason credit scores are so important is because people with careless financial habits are likely to be careless in other areas of their lives, such as healthcare or even driving and drinking. For this reason, it's important to get regular credit reports to make sure there are no false black spots. You can also use a reputable credit monitoring service to protect your information. 7. Negotiating goods and services. Many Americans are hesitant to negotiate for goods and services. This is because they fear that negotiating will make them look cheap. Overcoming this fear can save thousands of dollars each year. Small businesses in particular tend to be more open to negotiation, so buying in bulk or positioning yourself as a loyal customer can open the door to discounts. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. 8. Develop your financial acumen. Study tax law changes annually to make the most of adjustments and deductions. Keep up with financial news and stock market events and don't hesitate to adjust your investment portfolio accordingly. Knowledge is also the best defense against scammers who prey on naive investors and try to make a quick buck. 9. Maintaining your property. It's important to take proper care of your property so that everything from your car and lawnmower to your shoes and clothes will last longer. The cost of maintenance is only a fraction of the cost of replacement, so it's an investment not to be missed. 10. Live a frugal lifestyle. A frugal lifestyle means developing a mindset of living better on less, which is easier than it sounds. In fact, many wealthy people have developed the habit of living a frugal lifestyle even before they became wealthy. This is not a problem in transitioning to a minimalist lifestyle. By learning to discern what is necessary and what is not, and by making small adjustments, you can greatly improve your financial condition. 11. Consult a financial advisor. Once you have accumulated a certain amount of either liquid assets, cash or easily convertible to cash, or fixed assets, real estate or hard-to-exchange items, hire a financial advisor to help you get on the right track. 12. Take care of your health. The principle of proper care applies to your body as well. Taking proper care of your physical health can have a significant impact on your financial health. Investing in maintaining your health doesn't have to be difficult. You just need to see your doctor or dentist regularly and follow medical advice if you have any problems. Many diseases can be improved or even prevented by making basic lifestyle changes, such as exercise and improved nutrition. On the other hand, failure to maintain good health can have an immediate and long-term negative impact on your financial goals. Some companies have a limited number of sick days, and using paid sick days can result in a loss of income. Obesity and other eating disorders can cause insurance premiums to skyrocket, and poor health can lead to lower monthly lifetime earnings and early retirement. Conclusion: these 12 steps won't solve all your money problems, but they will help you develop good habits that will get you on the path to financial freedom. Simply making a plan with a specific target amount and date will strengthen your resolve to reach your goals and protect you from the temptation to overspend. And if you see realistic progress, you'll get rid of the pressure of ever-increasing debt and the prospect of saving for retirement, which is a powerful motivator, and financial freedom will be at your doorstep. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most. That fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury, and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.